Hello. I want to take a minute to talk about features added to Vicinity 4.52, which is our September 30th, 2025 release. Specifically, this one comes from client feedback requesting that we expand the use of VicinityView tiles. For those that don't use VicinityView tiles, these represent a quick view of links to existing tiles or existing VicinityView queries that has been set up in VicinityView itself. So the first thing you have to do is you create a view and then save that view as a favorite. Once you've saved that view as a favorite, then that favorite can be applied onto a tile. That's been around for a very long time, multiple years. So what we've done is added the ability for a user to be able to create multiple tile folders. We have a number of clients that use a number of tiles, and they will take this view and actually put it on the tile itself. So here's a favorite that I've got, this status log under quality samples, and to get it on a tile, you just go add to dashboard and then as a tile, and that's been around for a long time. But you have to have a favorite first. You can't do an asterisk. So once you have the tile there, what we've done is made it available now for you to actually create multiple folders to be able to allow users to group their tiles together in some logical fashion for them. The way we do that is we just turn on and off a toggle of a configuration screen. So I'm going to go up here under File, Toggle VV Tile Configuration, and everybody should have that functionality. And what that opens up is a series of predefined tiles. What I mean by the predefined is you're going to see VicinityView tiles. You're going to see then VicinityView tiles panel 2, panel 3, and panel 4. So you can have four tile folders, if you will, and then you can determine whether you want to show them or hide them. As you can see, before I did this recording, I went ahead and created a folder for MRP, and I created a folder for quality. Again, you can set up anything you want. These settings are actually controlled at the workstation level. So whatever workstation you're logging into, is the tile configuration that you're going to get. Once we toggle out of this configuration, now you see it functions like the default tile might. So now we have the ability to group tiles in up to 4 different folders that are definable at the machine level. This is going to help you stratify some of your tile usage for VicinityView. Anyway, this came directly from client requests through Focus, and we'd love to hear some more feedback on how we can make VicinityView or other functionality in our application better for you. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.